How to reach a real person at the IRS in 2025. Now, if you're a cleaning business owner, a business owner, or individual that needs to reach someone at the IRS, the prompts have changed. It's a lot easier, and I swear this is a sign to start a business, y'all, especially a cleaning business. And if you need help on how to start a cleaning business, subscribe to this channel. We walk you through step by step on how to do so and how to make your first million starting a cleaning business. All right, let's get back to it. How to reach a real person at the IRS in 2025. The IRS is open from 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. Monday through Friday. The number is 1-800-829-1040. All right, guys, let's give them a call.
Thank you for calling the Internal Revenue Service. Para continuar en español, marque 9. Your call may be recorded to help us improve our service, so please do not include any personal details at this time. Now, in a few words, please tell us why you are calling.
Business.
Sure, I can help you with that. And please note, to return to the main menu at any point during this call, simply say, main menu, or press star. Now, and is your reason for calling for business employment taxes, such as Form 941 or other business taxes?
No.
Your call may be monitored or recorded for quality purposes. Please hold while your call is transferred. We estimate your wait time to be between 30 and 60 minutes. Rather than wait on hold, we can call you back when it's your turn. To receive a call back, press 1. Please hold while your call is transferred to our callback service. If
They
your
call you
return
back.
call is 30 minutes or more, you may receive a text reminder. Press 1 to consent to receiving callback text updates from the IRS. Messages and data rates may apply. Please enter the 10-digit phone number where you would like to receive the call back. You will receive your call back in 30 minutes from now. Please note, your call back will come from a West Virginia phone number with the area code 304. Goodbye.
And it's that simple, guys. Now, when you receive your call back, they will tell you, and especially if it's really not about business and you're an individual, they will tell you, okay, you're at the wrong department. We will transfer you to the correct department. And make sure to ask them, hey, can you transfer me to a real person? And they will. They'll transfer you to a real person, which will probably give you that same prompt. Hey, your wait time is 30 to 60 minutes again. So you would just have to enter in your phone number again like you did so they can call you back, or just wait on hold. They actually do call you back. What I do recommend, guys, is when they transfer you to the actual place that you need to be transferred to, especially if it's not about business, and you enter in that callback number, give them a different callback number than the first one you gave them when you prompted them to transfer you for business services. Because which has happened to me before, I gave them that same number and they was like, well, we already called you back. Goodbye. So be sure when they call you back and you say, hey, this really isn't about business. I'm calling for a different reason, and they transfer you to the appropriate department, and it's another long wait time, and you decide to get a call back instead of just waiting on hold. Give them a different number. I used my business number the first time. When they call me back, I'm going to use my personal phone number. And, if you don't have two phones in the house, that's fine. Ask somebody in your family, hey, let me use your number, or. So that's how you reach a real person at the IRS. I will be back in 1 hour when they call me back, and we're going to finish this video all the way through. All right. 30 minutes later.
Internal Revenue Service. To accept this callback, press 1. If you no longer need to speak with a representative and would like to cancel this callback, press 2.
Uno momento. All right, guys. He called me back.
Be careful not to fall victim to IRS impersonation scams. The real IRS will not call, email. This is the Internal Revenue Service. My name is Miss Levels. ID number.
Hi there. Good afternoon. I was actually calling about my personal return. Is this the right department?
Do you need me to transfer you to an individual line?
Yes, please. And if it's okay, can you transfer me to a real person?
Rather than wait on hold, we can call you back when it's your turn. To receive a call back, press 1. Please hold while your call is transferred to our callback service. Please enter the 10-digit phone number where you would like to receive the call back. You will receive your call back in 21 minutes from now. Please note, your call back will come from a West Virginia phone number with the area code 304. Goodbye.
All right. And you will receive a call back to the correct department. And that's how you reach a real person at the IRS. Don't worry, they will give you a call back. So just to recap, guys, once you give them that call, first thing you do is say business. Just go start right back to the beginning of this video and just follow those prompts. And this is a sign, guys, start a business. The IRS doesn't give a damn about individuals. They'll transfer you to a real person when it comes to business. And if you see the tax code and how it works more for the business owner rather than the individual. They tax you right away when you're getting paid W-2. But if you're a business owner, you choose, what income that they're going to be taxing. Hence write-offs, right? Anyway, that's how you reach a real person at the IRS. If you guys need any help on how to start a cleaning business, subscribe to this channel. You can click the link down below. We provide free procurement sites, a list of bidding sites that you can get started on and start bidding on janitorial service contracts. And we do step-by-step tutorial videos on how to bid on these contracts. And book a call with us. We do one-on-one consulting, walking you through step-by-step, one-on-one, how to bid on these contracts, how to start a cleaning business, how to improve your personal credit to even go above and beyond with your cleaning business, even faster. All right, guys, have faith, bring in the faith, throw away the worry, right?